Hello, this is our HPEDM Dynamite 150 manual strong truck. Check it, it was made of high quality stainless steel and the truck diameter is 150. The material is high quality stainless steel and can be used on CNC machine for strong power workpiece. How to use it? Check it. This is a test report for the truck accuracy. The repeat accuracy up to 2 micro. Check it. How to use it? It needs used with the holder or the holder together and compatible lower ITS system perfectly. This is wrench. This is dust-proof plug. After you use it truck, you need to put it on here to protect the inside parts. Yes. First, how to operate it. First, you need the holder. Put on it and use the wrench. Move to the right. Yeah, and then it will tighten now. Yes. This one is also put on it. Yeah, and it's very tight. And the clipping workpiece here. The brass holder is also clipping workpiece. A mold electrode here. And measuring on the CNC machine. And then use the electrode on EDM machine for die sinking. The truck price is good. Warranty is 1 year. Welcome to inquire. Our website www.cncedm.com. Thank you.